Well, Diagwit YouTube, Kunstatatu. How are we? This is going to be the first video that I link to my Facebook profile, so that everyone who is following me on Facebook can see what I've been up to for the last while. Right, Monday. I went in in the morning to get my hair done, and the hairdresser arrived in, and we were like, right, this is what we can do, this is how we're going to do it. And admittedly, the way we did it wasn't the best way in hindsight, but I know for future reference for the next time I get this done. I say next, it's around the corner. So I'll put that video on at the end of this video. I'll try and find some half decent music to put on it as well, because it's a pretty long one and it's very quiet. That's it. I have got the 6 colours in my hair. You just can't see them very well. The way he did it was he kind of got a bit of hair here, left a bit, put another colour in, left a bit, put another colour in, and when I say a bit, I mean like the thickness of paper. And it's ended up blanketing the colours on the bottom. So I've been trying to fish them out for ages, and it's just really hard because the green and the blue came out really dark. So, you know, it's just really hard to find it with my natural hair colour. But I will do, and I will try and get a picture up of the whole thing. So that's happened. When the video that we have at the end, that I'll put at the end, it's just after we've done the bleaching and after I've had my hair washed. So we've put in the colour, and I'm just sitting waiting for the colour to cure, for the want of a better term. So that was that. It was great fun. It was a really nice experience, and it taught me to, you know, break the ice with people I've never met before. Now my hairdresser, he's a lovely guy. When we chatted, we had great fun chatting, great laugh. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Big thank you anyway to Jared, my hairdresser, and Tony and Guy's school, that's the word, in town. So thank you very much to them. I will use you in the future if someone else challenges me to some sort of stupid campaign with my hair, which happened actually this evening. I'm doing a Christmas fair this Saturday with a local volunteer group, and we were thinking of last minute fundraising ideas and the likes, and I said, look, if all the public managed to donate about €200, I'll do a live shave and shave my head. So that's a number 2 or 3, I think he said he put on it. I think it's a 2. So just zzz. If you like this idea, let me know. If you've also got any other ideas of topics and questions and answers and anything you want me to do on this channel, please don't hesitate to ask. And also on that note, if there's anything I'm doing at the moment that you don't like, for example, too many captions, too much Irish, even though it's only at the beginning and the end, I will work some more Irish into it. Just let me know. I like to get feedback from people. So anyway, that's that. I've probably yammered on enough. I'll do another video tomorrow with an update on general things, but this is just to get the hairdressing video up and done with. So without any further ado, here it is.